Hi, welcome. My name is Blair Critch, and I am so excited to share with you how Project Broadcast has truly impacted and helped grow my personal business. So, I am in a business where I actually sell vitamin supplements. It's called the Thrive Experience. And it's something that I've actually been doing for the last 9.5 years. But I just started implementing Project Broadcast at this summer. Actually, another person who promotes the same product shared it with me, and I immediately found it to be so helpful because let's be honest, a lot of people are not looking at their emails anymore. Or if they do, it's like maybe only once a week. They feel like most things that they get in their email are spammy and they don't look at it anymore. And so I was trying to find a new way to really approach my customers, my potential customers, and be able to offer things. And so when I found Project Broadcast, it was a win-win for me because people look at their phones. We are always looking at our phone, right? So to get a text message is so exciting. And I'll be totally honest, another thing that I love is when they say stop back to me, I can take them off my list. And I know they're not interested. Unlike my emails that people never hit unsubscribe, they just hit delete. And that actually messes up me having a good open rate. So I was really excited about the fact that people could literally go on to Project Broadcast. If they're not interested in getting my text messages, they can hit stop. But I want to share with you what exactly I'm doing in there. So there's a lot of different things that you can do inside of Project Broadcast. One of the things that I do love, and I'll teach about another time, is the fact that you can set up sequences. So if somebody sends you back yes to a certain special that you're doing or a certain code word that you put in, then they would automatically get a message from you. And I don't have to be looking at my phone all day. Win-win. Second thing is what I'm going to share with you today. One of my favorite things is that I love to do my own personal coupon/specials for my customers. So you might own your own business, or maybe you're in a franchise, or maybe you're in a network marketing business like I am. And there might always be different sales from the company, but you want to do your own personal sales when there's not a sale going on for your customers to gear them towards the things that are going to help you and prosper your business. So I'm going to give you a very specific example. Again, I sell vitamin supplements. We not only have our main product line, the Thrive Experience, which are 3 simple steps to filling in nutritional gaps, but we also have a lot of other products, including one that is for hormone health. It's called Her Daily Support, and it's a holistic approach to hormone health. Well, I am in menopause right now, and a lot of my current customers and potential customers and the niche that I serve is menopausal women, women in early menopause, ages 40 to 50. They're struggling because they're still trying to enjoy their life. They're not ready to sit back and have to deal with these symptoms, and they want a holistic approach to it. So that's who I serve. So for me, I like to do some specials around the things that I know are helpful. So I'm not just throwing out hey, you can get $50 off this month, or hey, you could get a free this month. No, instead I'm getting very specific. My emails for the month and a message that I sent out through Project Broadcast for the month, and my reels on my Instagram, I try to get them all around the same focus of menopause. So let's say for this month in October that I am trying to really share how collagen is really important for your bone health, for your skin, also getting ready. A lot of women have itchy skin during menopause, so it helps with that as well. Helps with hair growth, helps with eyelashes, eyebrow growth, all those things. So I might send out an email with information about how collagen helps with these things, and also share a little bit about the products that we sell that help with that. But then in my text messages, I will do one at the beginning of the month, reminding them to check out my email with a little bit of information and maybe even a link to my reel that's specifically about collagen and menopause. Then the second text that I will do during the month is a special deal for my customers only. Purchase this much this month and get a free bottle of our collagen. Or maybe I offer half off, or if I have samples of something, I might offer a sample. Now, again, what's exciting about this is I'm getting very specific. I'm bringing value. And now I have more people interacting with me than ever before. In the past, I would have sent out an email, maybe one or none every month would have replied back. My reels, people would like, but they don't always message me back. Now with this text message, I am finding that I'm getting so many more people interested in my specials. And again, what does that do for me? It increases my sales. If I have somebody purchasing our normal 3 steps of 160 and they add on our collagen for 40, now I have a $200 order this month instead of a $160 order. Plus, once they get on it, see the results, they're a raving fan, they're telling others. So this is exactly how I've been able to grow my business with Project Broadcast. And I'm so thankful for this text service. If you have any questions, please put them below. I'd love to connect with you and share more.